Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Deliveroo bicycle to electric bike in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser. You can open it in your phone or in your Chrome web browser. So here, whichever method you have chosen, you just have to come here on the official rider website of Deliveroo. Now, when you are here, simply use the search bar, and here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for change. Now, when you search for change, simply tap on this particular article that says, how do I update my details? Now, when you tap on this particular option, in order to change anything like your vehicle type, the bank details, and the address, you need to simply provide this particular form and you need to fill it. So tap on the option of change request form. Afterwards, you just have to simply provide the answer to these questions. So the first question is, what would you like to change? So here we want to change the vehicle type because we want to change the bicycle to electric bike. So you need to select the vehicle type option. Afterwards, you just have to provide your name. So after providing the name, simply hit OK. Then simply enter your email address, which is linked to your Deliveroo account, and then hit OK. Afterwards, you just have to keep on providing the answers to these questions that it is going to ask you. And eventually you will see the option of changing your Deliveroo bicycle to the electric bike, meaning you will see the option of changing the vehicle type, and that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.